In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into shapes in Microsoft Word, PC, and Mac. This simple technique allows you to combine pictures with creative shapes to make your documents more visually appealing and professional. Whether you are designing a flyer, creating a presentation handout, or just adding a decorative touch to a report, this method works smoothly on both Windows and Mac versions of Microsoft Word. To begin, open Microsoft Word and load the document you would like to edit. You can start with a blank document or use an existing file. Once your document is ready, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains the tools you need to add visual elements to your page. Inside the Insert tab, find and click on the Shapes option. A drop-down menu will appear displaying a wide variety of shapes, including rectangles, circles, arrows, stars, and more decorative designs. For this demonstration, you can choose a cloud shape, but feel free to select any shape that fits your design. After selecting the shape, click and drag on your page to draw it. You can adjust its size as you draw, and you can always resize or reposition it later. Once the shape is placed in your document, it is time to add the image inside it. Right-click directly on the shape and choose Format Shape from the menu. This will open a formatting panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, locate the Fill section and expand it to see more options. Select the option labeled Picture or Texture Fill. This setting allows you to replace the solid color of the shape with an image. After selecting Picture or Texture Fill, click the Insert button. A window will open, allowing you to browse the images saved on your device. Choose the image you want to use, then click Insert. Immediately, your selected picture will fill the shape. If necessary, you can further adjust the size of the shape or reposition it within your document to achieve the best layout. This technique is a powerful yet simple way to make your content stand out. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.